Navjot Singh Sidhu is now at the Golden Temple in Amritsar after becoming the PCC chief. Therefore, the widening rift between captain and Sidhu is far from over. It's a big muscle flexing. Sidhu has already met 62 MLAs out of 80 at the residence in Amritsar. And now he is meeting, look at those visuals on his screen, sea of supporters. This while Captain Amrinder Singh's close aide, Raveen Tukral, who's also his media advisor, decided to put out a clear statement. Captain will not meet Navjot Singh Sidhu unless there's an apology, a public apology for his derogatory tweets. Now, further clarifying, Tukral has said that so far the newly appointed PCC chief himself has not sought time to meet the incumbent Punjab chief minister from the Congress party. This, remember, has come after there were fireworks already from a Congress MLA, who's an MLA from Jalandhar Cant area. He is close to Navjot Singh Sidhu. His name is Pargat Singh. Pargat Singh launched a scathing attack, in fact asking Amrinder Singh to apologize because he has allegedly failed to fulfill the promises made to people.
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह साडे बहुत सत्कारयोग है, मेरे मुख मंत्री ने, मेरे बॉस है और मैं उन्हां दी किसी गल ते कोई कमेंट नहीं कर सकता। परिवार दे विच एकजुटता हमेशा ही रही है, हुण भी हो जाऊगी। थोड़े बहुते जे डिफरेंसिस हो जाते कई बारी।
कैप्टन साहब और नवजोत सिद्धू दी एक आपसी दोवां दा कद आ, वो मुख मंत्री आ, PCC प्रधान आ और सारी पार्टी दी जो सोच हैगी आ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਹਿਮਤ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਭ ਨੇ जो भी ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ फैसला होगा मेरे हिसाब ਨਾਲ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ स्वीकार होना चाहिए।
So let's go across now to Amritsar. That is the Golden Temple on your screens, one of the holiest sacred shrines and sites for the Sikh members and the community from which Navjot Singh Sidhu also belongs. So he has now come here as he had promised that once he is announced as the chief of the Congress Pradesh committee, he is going to come. He's there with hundreds of supporters thronging the Golden Temple, also called the Harmandir Sahib or the Darbar Sahib in Amritsar. Amritsar is also the constituency, Amritsar East, as MLA for Navjot Singh Sidhu. But what you see on your screens is, of course, a support for Navjot Singh Sidhu, while there's a widening rift with Captain Amrinder Singh. Remember, the constituents are watching. Congress supporters are watching. The opposition, Shiromani Akali Dal, the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP are also watching very closely the situation that is on in Punjab Congress. This while the state is set to go for elections. The election strategy will now be led by Navjot Singh Sidhu as the new Congress chief there in the state. Captain Amrinder Singh for now appears to be still the chief ministerial face, but because he is almost 80 years old, is the party looking for a younger face? Will Navjot Singh Sidhu be pitched as the chief ministerial candidate as well, apart from being the PCC chief? These are some deliberations that have come. Remember, Harish Rawat, the Punjab affairs in charge, in just a few days ago had categorically told Rajdeep Sardesai in an exclusive interview that they're looking at a future leader for the Punjab Congress and for the state of Punjab. Are we looking at that future leader for Punjab Congress? Does he have the support in theory and also in practice for Punjab Congress when the state goes for elections? Will the MLAs, will the new contenders be wanting to follow what Sidhu has to say, or are they still with Captain Amrinder Singh? Manjeet Sehgal is on the ground at Golden Temple. I'm now going across to him. Manjeet, he's waving, he's smiling. It's a celebration for him, clearly. But it's also a test that has started. If he does not win the election, so to say, well, then perhaps his position will also be tenable.
Yes, indeed, Pooja. The Sidhu camp is in a celebration mood. They have been distributing sweets, dancing from last 3 days, ever since Navjot Singh Sidhu was announced as the new Pradesh Congress Committee chief. But there are challenges ahead. Navjot Singh Sidhu has been announced a party chief just 6 months before the election. He has a big way to go. He has to make door-to-door contact among the voters. Navjot Singh Sidhu is being treated as a novice because he has joined Congress just in 2017. There were many senior Congress leaders. Now, some of the detractors of Captain Amrinder Singh have welcomed him, have been blessing him, have been saying that he will succeed, but still Navjot Singh Sidhu will not be able to repeat the government in Punjab without the help of Captain Amrinder Singh, who is MIP, and both the leaders have not come on board even after Captain Amrinder Singh had assured the party high command that he will accept Navjot Singh Sidhu as the new PCC chief, and the decision made by the party high command will be acceptable to him. But so far, both the leaders have not come on board. They have not met. Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh has also once again pushed for a public apology demand from Navjot Singh Sidhu, saying that he had embarrassed his government. He has questioned Captain Amrinder Singh's government for colluding with Badal. Navjot Singh Sidhu has openly said that Punjab government is functioning with the help of Badal. That was a big embarrassment for the Congress party. Captain Amrinder Singh had denied, but has now asked Navjot Singh Sidhu to tender a public apology for his derogatory tweets.
Manjeet, we have these visuals coming in of pilgrims, visitors there at the Golden Temple. We have a smiling Navjot Singh Sidhu waving to the cameras. These are supporters. Of course, Golden Temple is an international tourist destination. Is there a VIP protocol that has been kept for the Amritsar East MLA, or is he like anyone else, any other visitor, any other pilgrim there at the Golden Temple? I just see him amidst all those colorful turbans. One of maroon color, which is of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Is he trying to show that I have supporters with me, I'm one of them? Or is there a very VIP protocol that has been set only for his visit to the Golden Temple? Manjeet, can you hear me? Manjeet, if you can hear me, we are still staying with the visuals of the Golden Temple, because that's Navjot Singh Sidhu. That's also a long queue. Remember, Golden Temple on any given day has thousands of visitors and pilgrims who are already at that international tourist destination. Manjeet, is he still there? Has he gone inside the Sanctum Sanctorum there at the Golden Temple, the Harmandir Sahib, the Darbar Sahib as it is called? Do you think there's a message that he's also sending there, that he has taken the blessings now and therefore he is going to be on the job from today itself?
Well, Pooja, Navjot Singh Sidhu, he believes in both the faiths, be it Hindu or be it Sikhism. Now he is staying obeisance at the Golden Temple complex. This is his first choice, and after seeking blessings here, he will be going to two prominent Hindu temples and will meet their preachers, will bow down there and seek his blessings. Now, so far he has not resumed his office. Sources telling us that they will be decided by some of the Pandits, and only then he will resume. Only then he will resume his work. And today he is meeting various leaders, 62 party MLAs, including 3 cabinet ministers.
Manjeet, what does this moment, according to you, mean for Navjot Singh Sidhu? Remember, there was almost a time when it was being speculated if he's jumping ship, he may not get what he wants. Clearly, the Congress party will not want to antagonize the captain, but he's had his way. Do you think this is the moment that would be considered huge for Punjab politics?
Well, Navjot Singh Sidhu is being viewed as a new energy. We spoke to various supporters who say that Navjot Singh Sidhu has rejuvenated their faith, their interest in the Congress party, because during the past some months there were stories that he might switch his loyalties, he might switch Congress. But now finally, as he has been elevated as the new Congress committee chief, he is going to stay in the Congress party. That means a lot for his supporters, and particularly the young generation, because Navjot Singh Sidhu is a crowd puller. He has a star power, and that is why at the moment there are hundreds of supporters with him, particularly people from his Amritsar constituency who have been eagerly waiting for his arrival. He held a road show yesterday with hundreds of people, most of them youngsters from various constituencies who passed their shouting slogans against Navjot. They said they were with him, they were eagerly waiting for him, his elevation as the new PCC chief. So at the moment, Navjot Singh Sidhu is paying obeisance at the Darbar Sahib, which is popularly called by the Sikhs here inside the Golden Temple complex. He is with hundreds of supporters that also include 62 party MLAs, 3 cabinet ministers who once were supporters of Captain Amrinder Singh but now have turned his adversaries. One of the cabinet ministers, Sri Rajinder Singh Bajwa, had also advised Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh to forgive Navjot Singh Sidhu. And
I will give you a breather there, Manjeet Sehgal, because I understand that you will be tracking the ground updates as well. Manjeet Sehgal has been telling us about, as you can see on your screen, Navjot Singh Sidhu there in maroon amid the colourful turbans in hundreds at the Golden Temple. Test begins now for Navjot Singh Sidhu. Now remember, there's a feud that has been festering already between Sidhu, between Captain Amrinder Singh, and that started in 2017 because that's the year when Congress came to power. Sidhu was made a cabinet minister as well. It is said that during this year, in 2017, he used this closeness to escalate his association with the Gandhi family to bargain for more within the Punjab government. But things came to loggerheads. Sidhu, remember, went to Pakistan, returned, and embarrassed his chief minister because there were visuals in Pakistan of him giving a hug to the then Pakistan army chief. Captain Amrinder Singh himself, a former army officer, did not take kindly to it, and as a chief minister, there was a full-blown public war of words against that initiative by Navjot Singh Sidhu. Take a look.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot, and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief, and the chief is Mr. General Bajwa. And to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but यहाँ लिखा होता है उनके ट्यूनिक के ऊपर, that's wrong. And I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani army chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, you know, I have taken this stand, and this is what is in the larger interest of my state, and I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my chief minister has taken the stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं, उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की, वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई. मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
जिथे 25 पैसे पैने सी सिद्धू ने 25 पैसे पाए, जिथे 30 पैसे पाने सी उत्थे 30 पाए. वर्ल्ड बैंक तो लैके एक चीज़ नाल लिया के खड़ी की. लेकिन मैं तो कदे किसी ते उंगल चुकी नहीं, ना मैं कदे शिकायत की, ना ही मेरी फितरत है. चलो जे कोई ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਮਹਾਬਦੌਲਤ
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I've shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I've given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him, but he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljit Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.